Hey guys, so I accidentally deleted my makeup tray Monday video for this week, so I thought I would give you the rundown of what I thought about the products in person instead of in the standard tray that I normally do. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I thought of this week's makeup tray products, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first set of products that I tried were the brushes from Revlon. I had 3 total. I had a concealer brush, which is dirty and needs to be cleaned, the kabuki brush, and the contour brush. The contour brush I did like. I thought it did a nice job for the contour and bronzer and blush. The kabuki brush, however, it was a little bit prickly when I was blending powder onto my skin. It's just not as soft as, say, the e.l.f. brush or the Wet n Wild brush. So for me, this one was a pass, but I did like the other two. For concealer, I tried the Revlon photoready concealer. I don't really like these stick concealers. They crease on me so quickly even with setting with the powder. So for me, this was a pass. The Almay Best Blend Forever foundation. I have a dedicated review and try-on video for this foundation going up soon, so stay tuned for that. For powder, I used the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder under my eyes. I think it did a good job. It didn't have any flashback that I noticed, so I would continue to use this one. The Your Skin But Better CC Airbrush Perfecting Powder in Fair. It was okay, but I feel like it made my makeup a little heavy, perhaps because this is a full coverage finishing veil. I don't know, maybe as a powder foundation, it would be really nice, but as a setting powder, it was a little too thick for me, but I do love a lot of things by A Cosmetics, so just one in the bunch that I didn't love for that particular use, but I will use it again as a powder foundation instead of a setting powder. For lips, I tried the Chapstick Total Hydration Lip Scrub, which I loved. It was very fine, really exfoliated my lips. It was really nice. And then the Chapstick Total Hydration, this is the Eucalyptus Mint flavor, really good. I love both of these. I've been using them all week. For eyes, the Almay, what were these called? I think they were called Almay Shadow Squads. They're the little quad eyeshadows. These are nice. They're 4 different finishes of the same color family. I love the coral one. I don't have it right here, but the coral one is really nice. This one's also a nice neutral, just hint of shimmer palette as well, so that is great. The Master Prime Face Studio Primer. So this is the Hydrate and Smooth. I didn't notice that this did anything for my skin. I haven't been using primers much lately because I haven't found that they do much for me, with the exception of maybe 1 or 2 that I have liked in the past and will continue to use. But for me, this didn't really do anything, so for me it was a pass. The It Cosmetics 3-in-1 Tightline Mascara. I have a dedicated review video going up for this one, so stay tuned if you want to know what I think on this product. Cliffhanger, I know. The Sleek Luminous Pressed Powder. It's a very subtle peachy gold highlight slash blush topper. Not what I would classify a highlight, more of like a glowy setting powder, but it's a nice color. I do like this one. And finally, the Fit Me Blush in 35 Coral adds a nice flush to the cheeks, so I will continue to use this one. So that's it for this week's makeup tray wrap up. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.